I'm just about to review some Trust Wallet hacks that will actually blow your mind. So be sure you subscribe to my channel and like my video because you don't want to miss out on anything. Enable the notification bell button. Don't forget to do that. Okay. So what this hack will actually do is to teach you something that you've ignored on Trust Wallet, something that you never ever knew existed on Trust Wallet. So let's just dive right into the video right now. First of all, the first thing that you have to do is you need to get a Trust Wallet. If you don't have a Trust Wallet, for me, I already have a Trust Wallet. And if you don't have a Trust Wallet, how can you get a Trust Wallet? If you're using an Android phone, you should just go to your Play Store and search Trust Wallet. And search Trust Wallet, you'll be able to download it. Yeah, it's there. As at the moment I'm making this video, it has about 10 million downloads. On your iOS store, go to your iOS store and then download Trust Wallet, and then it will prompt you to open your wallet. If you have a recovery phrase, fine, but I assume you already have a Trust Wallet. Now if you have a Trust Wallet, now this is my Trust Wallet right here. Now you can see the balance on this my Trust Wallet right here. Okay, so now if I tap on settings and then I click on security, it will prompt me to enter my passcode. Now on this security, here are some amazing things that you need to know. Now first of all, if you don't have a passcode on your Trust Wallet, you can enable a passcode, which is great. Let me start with the smallest one. Okay, then the next thing is transaction authentication. Now this asks you to enter your fingerprint for every transaction that you want to make. So if you're living in a location where there are a lot of persons and you don't want them to know what you're actually doing, or maybe so if you are living in a place where there are a lot of persons, anybody can take your device. So if they don't have a fingerprint in your phone, they can't perform transaction. All right, now the next thing that I want to show you guys that is amazing is preferences. If you go to preferences, you go to currency, you can see mine is actually at USD, United States dollar currency set. Now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and then you tap on there's another kind of dollar, East Caribbean dollar. Now it looks more like the United States dollar. Yeah, it all has the same sign, but the real value of the money is not what you see there. That's not the real value. All right, you can see it there. It's showing $34,000. So now this is what most people use to deceive other persons. They could have like about $1,000 on their account and then decide to show somebody, convert it into this kind of amount in dollars, and then show people, which some persons get deceived at the end of the day. Now the next thing is, let's go and change to another dollar. Let's see how it goes. Okay, another dollar, preferences. This time around let's use something like Zimbabwe dollar. Yeah, there's another kind of dollar. Let me see this. Wow, this particular one actually gave $86,000, which is a lot of money. Look at this particular coin, it's giving me $14,000. So that's, you can switch your currency like that, and then you have a whole lot of money, like a whole lot of funds. All right, but it's not really. The reason why the values are like that is because the currency of those countries are actually very, very poor. All right, but they are still using dollar. Probably they were colonized by the United States of America. So let me return it to the United States dollar that it was. Okay, boom, my original value of my wallet is back. All right, then if I tap on the same setting, tap on preferences, now you see automatic connect DApp automatically, and then clear browser catch. So now the explanation to that is, whenever you use this your browser, those of you that knows how to swap, whenever you use pancake swap, the moment you hit pancake swap, it automatically just connects to the swapping site. All right, most times you don't want that to happen, so you have to go to your wallet and disable that connect. You can see I am automatically connected here, right here, connected to the swapping site. Now the reason why you might want to disable that is in case you don't want to be automatically connected to a website that is fishy, that are trying to steal your recovery phrase. You know, there are some crypto that launches and they'll tell you they have a customized site that you can swap, so you don't want to automatically just connect to a site that you don't like. And mind you, this place here, this browser section is a browser just like your Google Chrome, and you can see on this browser, you can see my history right there. You see my history. Now let's go back to that preference. Now on this preference here, you could disconnect that, so that whenever you want to connect to a swapping site, you have to connect it manually by yourself. All right, now I might have to leave mine enabled because I'm only connecting to just one site, which is PancakeSwap. I'm not connected to any other browser. Now the next thing is to clear cache. All right, now this helps you to clear your browsing history, you know, get rid of let me tap clear. You know, sometimes you don't want your browsing history to just be there. Okay, so if I tap this now, you can see I no longer have a browsing history. Okay, everything is just fresh. All right, now the next thing that I want you guys to know is, you know, Trust Wallet is actually an amazing wallet that you can actually do a lot of things. All right, now let me assume you've connected to a site before on your Trust Wallet and you are still connected to that site and you don't know. Now if you click on Wallet Connect, it will actually tell you if there's any site you are connected to right here or not. But since I'm not connected to any site, either on desktop or on my mobile phone, all right, since I'm not connected to any site, I might have to, if I tap on new connection, it gives me opportunity to connect to any site. Now connecting to any site means that they will have your recovery phrase and access to your wallet, which means transactions is automatically permitted to take place on your wallet. All right, so if you have a Trust Wallet and you want to check if you're actually connected to any site unknowingly, you need to come to Wallet Connect, because those sites automatically just have your recovery phrase and disconnect, and tap disconnect to disconnect from whatever site that you are actually connected with. Now one last thing that I want to show you guys is, do you know that you can check details of a particular token from your Trust Wallet to see if those tokens are actually real or not? Let me tap, for instance, let me tap this XRP. Now you can actually tap on this place here that displays something that look, an icon that looks like chart. If you tap on it, it will take you, it will give you the chart of the cryptocurrency. You can actually view the weekly chart, monthly chart, yearly chart, and all-time chart, and it will even tell you the all-time high of that particular crypto. And you can as well, from that particular angle, set a price alert on that particular crypto, so that whenever it gets to a certain price, it will, you know, it will alert you or ring you, okay, on your mobile phone. You will find their details, such as their website, their explorer, their market cap, their volume, their circulating supply, and even a link to CoinMarketCap from your Trust Wallet. But it doesn't always apply to all tokens. Not all tokens have this. Like, let me check some random token like this one. Yeah, this one still have that same functionality, but this particular token is like an abandoned project. It's been abandoned for a couple of months. Okay, no price, no volume, no market cap. You know, the owners put their liquidity. Let's tap this particular one. This particular one is a new token, so it doesn't have that. You can see. Try again. So now, before a token will qualify to have such details on Trust Wallet, they must have surpassed like 10,000 users on 10,000 wallet users before Trust Wallet will be able to verify them. So this is the bonus point right here. So if you're wondering why my Trust Wallet is actually dark, you can see yours might be white but mine is dark. Tap here, tap on the setting. When you tap on setting and uncheck, see, I can switch between dark mode, and you know, that's crazy. So There are a lot, so subscribe to my channel because subsequent video I'll be revealing more and more amazing stuff like this. So see you in my next video. All right.